Today we are going to start with the cycle of erosion, and today we have to also cover the slope development. These are the two topics that we have to cover. And in the cycle of erosion we have to see, like I said, Davishian cycle of erosion, and then Penck cycle of erosion, and then King cycle of erosion. And for the cycle of erosion, earlier I taught you one thing. I said river landform and that understanding of that river landform, which is completely based on, I said, that Davis cycle of erosion. That youth stage, mature stage, and old stage. There are three portions are there. I said that Davishian cycle of erosion, then there is, I said, that Penck cycle of erosion, and another I said that King cycle of erosion. It has been taken place in the European country, and you know that better to say it is happened in the humid and little cold climate, humid and cold climate which has been taken place. And then Penck cycle of erosion, the theory that developed with when the Penck has done a study in the Andes mountain system. And King cycle of erosion took place in the semi-arid region of South Africa. Means all this cycle of erosion which has been taken place in the different climatic condition and different geographical regions. It means it is itself gives us an idea that there will be what concept must be differ. ये दिमाग में रखेंगे, conceptual difference will exist. Yes. And when the conceptual difference is, why do the conceptual differences existing? One, that all are, I said that they have a gentleman having a good scholar, but at the same time they have by seeing this different geographical region, they have developed their own cycle of erosion, means they have created their own world map in their mind. Yes or not? I said that with their pragmatic approach, उनका approach कैसा था? That is on a scientific based. They are utilizing the scientific understanding. So there it is considered as a pragmatic approach they are utilizing, and created a scientific behavioral world for concept of cycle of erosion. The world that they have created, जब वो different geographical region को पढ़ेंगे तो it must be that एक behavioral world उन्होंने create किया जहाँ पे nature ने बोला और उनके scientific nature ने बोला कि this should be the cycle of erosion. Getting my point? Pragmatic approach, if I say that pragmatic, that is, they have a well scholared, I said that they have utilized their scientific approach, scientific understanding, and thereafter they have given their, what I said, that one behavioral world, जो उस जगह के region को जो world map that they have created in their mind, that scientifically, and that they have given us for the cycle of erosion. All of you are suppose a scholar, and all of you have been sent to some other places, and then it has been said that go and study the cultural aspect of it scientifically. बहुत हार्ड काम हो जाएगा कि साइंटिफिकली इफ आई हैव टू स्टडी द कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट, तो आप बायोलॉजिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, अच्छा उनका बायोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट कैसा है, आँख कहाँ है, थोड़ा एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल आओगे, रेशियल स्ट्रक्चर लेकर आओगे, एंड देन ओवर द पीरियड ये किस जोग्राफिकल रीजन में आए हैं, वहाँ पे कैसा फूड ग्रो हो रहा है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, आई सेड दैट वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी इज देयर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, सो एवरीवेयर व्हाई दे आर लुकिंग लाइक दिस, सो एवरीथिंग वी स्टार्टेड ट्राइंग टू मेंशन लाइक दिस. लेकिन आपका सबका एक डिफरेंट कंसेप्ट निकल कर बाहर आएगा. But it doesn't matter that all are wrong, but somewhere in the different context they are correct. But along with that, there will be a possibility of what? Some improvement, because it will not be completely authenticated. Understood? The same way all are, I said that to some extent correct, but at the same time they have also critics. It doesn't matter that they are what is कहीं ना कहीं एक दूसरे से कम है, but all are, so there they have developed their theory, that cycle of erosion and all. But then this actual cycle of erosion is not for, I said that everyone is saying something, and then they are saying something. I said that they have used, I said that Darwin's concept. इन्होंने क्या यूज किया? Davis has used the Darwin's concept that I said that we have a human cycle. Yes or not? We have gone through, I said that youth mature and then becoming old and then finishing again, then again youth mature. So one cycle is also always done. So they have said that Darwin's concept. Understood? That they are highly influenced by the Darwin concept, therefore the human from human cycle of erosion, or the human cycle and then landscape cycle of erosion. इसका मतलब simply है कि he has said that that cycle of erosion is time dependent. Yes or not? Their cycle of erosion is division cycle. This is this much of youth, this much of what is a mature, this much of what old. But यहाँ पर they have what is try to play more scientific rather than this, and he played his cycle of erosion more basis of slope development. इनका जो था वो that is a time dependent, that is a time independent, and that is also time independent. ये दोनों टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट थे, बट डेविएशन साइकिल ऑफ erosion was only time dependent. Understood? Deviation cycle of erosion was time dependent, but that I said that Andes Peng cycle of erosion was time independent. The time is not the important. Yes. And then in the King cycle of erosion time independent था, लेकिन इनके theory में, in his theory, slope development, then most important, I said that most important, he utilized